Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Zanpolin Bone Conduction Headphones, 10-hour playtime, Bluetooth 5.3 wireless sport headphones with mic. Sweat-resistant earphones for running, workout, cycling. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Zanpolin Bone Conduction Headphones. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Long battery life. Enjoy up to 10 hours of continuous music and calls on a single charge. The Zanpolin Bone Conduction Headphones are perfect for a day full of outdoor activities or a long working day. Authentic bone conduction technology. Our Zanpolin Bone Conduction Headphones deliver music through your cheekbones, ensuring your ears remain completely open to ambient sounds for maximum situational awareness during long-term wear. Superior sound quality. With our advanced audio technology, the Zanpolin open-ear headphones provide dynamic range and rich bass to ensure an incredible sound experience. Easy controls. Features built-in controls to adjust volume, change tracks, and easily switch between calls and music. It's the perfect audio companion for both indoor and outdoor activities. Ideal for different scenarios. Perfect for outdoor sports like running, cycling, and for those who want to stay connected to their surroundings. It's also great for office use, keeping you in tune with your environment while you enjoy your music. Bluetooth connectivity. The Bone Conduction Headphones Bluetooth feature allows for easy and fast pairing with smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.